everyone, welcome to ZHENXIN's Facebook and YouTube Live. I'm Ida from Ion ZHENXIN Metallurgical Materials Company, and our company is a professional ferroalloy manufacturer and exporter from China, in China, and today, we will explore two important ferroalloys that are gaining global attention. Refined ferrochrome, the it's the low carbon ferrochrome, yes, and then the ferrosilicon nitride. We will cover their application, um, application specification, sourcing concerns, and storage tips. Also, I will answer some frequently asked buyer questions. Yes, and so at first, please allow me to introduce our company. Yes, and at ZHENXIN, we have been serving global steel mills and foundries with ISO certificate ferroalloys certified ferroalloys, and our key markets include Europe, Southeast Asia, the Middle East, and Latin America. Yes, and currently buyers are paying special attention to high purity alloys for advanced steelmaking and refractory materials or for high-tech industries. That's exactly why today's two products, the refined ferrochrome and ferrosilicon nitride. Yes, and they are in the spotlight. Now, um, let's start with the refined ferrochrome, the pure ferrochrome. Uh, have you heard the refined ferrochrome or the pure ferrochrome? In It's a crucial alloy for producing stainless steel alloys. Is stronger than ever. Yes, and stainless steel producers and precision alloy manufacturers are constantly looking for materials that not only ensure superior performance but also help them reduce product costs. Recognizing this market need, our company, the INGC Metallurgical Company, has introduced an improved vacuum production process for ultra pure low carbon ferrochrome. It's just the one of our uh, topic. This technological advancement allow us to deliver ferrochrome with exceptionally low gas content, smoother surface, and denser structures. Yes, offering customers a more reliable and cost-effective solution compared with traditional ferrochrome products. For buyers seeking consistent quality and efficiency, this is a breakthrough worth noting. Yes. This new Ferrochrome, the Power Ferrochrome, uh, is produced was produced by improving vacuum production process. Yes, the traditional process for producing micro carbon ferrochrome involved vacuum solid state decarburization and crushing high carbon ferrochrome into powder, mixing it with oxidants, pressing, drying, and finally vacuum decarburizing to achieve a low carbon alloy. While effective, this process often left higher levels of oxygen, yes, and in the final product, which could affect downstream steel performance. And the new technology, our improved vacuum technology address these issues directly. Yes, and 奇怪，为啥他一直在啊？我问一下，看的正不正常？应该是正常的。Okay, let's continue uh to okay, let's continue our the okay. Just to continue our improved vacuum technology addresses these issues directly. So the Ferrochrome have lower nitrogen, hydrogen, and oxygen content, ensuring power alloys, and smoother, cleaner surfaces, minimizing inclusions, and denser alloy structure, resulting in higher strength and durability. Maybe just from these words you can't imagine them directly, but when I also prepare uh, this this product to show you for visible directly. It's just like this. Just like this. Let me show you the picture first. The picture. Just like this picture, you can find the difference between uh, the old technology uh, that low carbon ferrochrome used produced by the old technology, and the low carbon ferrochrome produced by the new technology. They all use the vacuum technology to produce, but the improved vacuum technology uh, has produced the more the looks 怎么说呢？the new low carbon ferrochrome with exceptionally low gas uh, uh, just like the exceptionally low gas content, smoother surface, yes, just the smoother surface and denser structures. You can just uh, you can just 那个叫什么check them for the pictures. You can find their difference. Yes, this is uh, our low carbon ferrochrome that used the improved vacuum technology. Yes, this is a new technology. Ferrochrome, can you see it? See it clearly? And if you can't see it clearly, you can also check the pictures in the screen. Yes, and it also shows clearly. 嗯，嗯嗯嗯，好吧，这边这样吧。Okay, now let's continue. For customers producing stainless steel or high-grade alloys, this means the lower gas content, the smoother, cleaner surface, and the denser alloy structure. All these advantage. Uh, this means fewer impurities in the melt and higher efficiency in refining and longer lasting in the product. Yes, and many of our clients have already switched from traditional Ferrochrome to our ultra pro grade after calculating the cost saving and quality improvement. Would you would you like to see how this process could optimize your production as well? If you are also interested in this, the new program, welcome to leave your inquiry in our website or contact us directly. We will send a reply as soon as possible. Only we find your inquiry or message. Welcome to contact us, and or you can also leave your inquiry in the comment. Let's talk about this new productions. Yes, and then about the ultra pro low carbon chrome specification, I want to show you uh, this specification as an example. Just like the stamp we just showed. Its chrome content its chrome content is 67% uh, mini me amine. Yes, and its carbon content is lower than 0.03%, and its silicon content is 1.5% max, and the phosphorus content is lower than its phosphorus content, and the sulfur content all uh, both both are lower than 0.02%. Yes, and it's the about its gas content, just like what I said before. It has a lower gas content. Such as the nitrogen content is lower than 0.01%, and the nitrogen content is lower than 0.1%. Yes, and the hydrogen content is lower than 0.01%. Yes, it has a lower gas content, and it is parameters guarantee a ultra clean ferrochrome alloy suitable for customers who demand high quality inputs, so to maintain their competitive advantage in stainless steel and special steel production. Yes, and this is its appearance and its specification and its advantages. Yes, and then let's talk about its application. Its application is the same as the the macro carbon it's similar theme as uh, the macro carbon ferrochrome before. Uh, but it's first it's the stainless steel production. Yes, stainless steel manufacturers rely on microcarbon ferrochrome to provide precision, resistance, hardness, and stability. With our improved process, customers benefit from fewer inclusions, more stable steel chemistry, and enhanced product consistency. That is especially critical for exporters of stainless steel products, where even minor defects can lead to costly returns. Yes, and the second application for this Ferrochrome is precision alloys. Yes, when producing high value alloys for aerospace, medical equipment, or electronics materials, purity directly impacts performance. And the ultra ferrochrome can replace or partially substitute metal chrome, delivering the same results at a much lower cost. Have you considered how much you could save by reducing your metal chrome consumption? You can try it. Just contact us. Welcome to your inquiry and contacting. Okay, the third application for the Ferrochrome is the special high grade steels. Yes, and our product is also widely used in bearing steels, tool steels, and other high strength applications where lower gas levels improve durability and toughness. Customers in Europe and Asia have confirmed longer service life in their final product when switching to our Ferrochrome. Yes, these are the Power Ferrochrome's three applications. And then uh, Then please let me share you with the advantages of choosing our company. Yes, why our clients will choose ZHENXIN to to purchase the micro Ferrochrome. The first is the technical superiority. The improved vacuum process gives us a clear advantage over conventional suppliers by delivering alloys with lower gas content. We ensure your production runs more smoothly with fewer rejections. Yes, and then is cost efficiency. Yes, using our ultra ferrochrome to replace metal chrome can reduce the steel making costs by can reduce the steel making costs. Yes, and depending on as for the accurate reduce cost percent depending on your cost on your process. Yes, and for larger volume producers, This cost saving translates into substantial annual gains. Do you need to save costs in production? If you need, welcome to contact us. Okay, let's continue. The three, the three, the third advantage is about the reliable quality control. All batteries undergo testing, and we provide the certificate of analysis to confirm compliance with customer requirements. This transparency has earned us long-term partnerships across Europe, Central Asia, and South Africa. Okay, the last is the global trade experience. With more than 50 years of expertise, our company, ZHENXIN Metallurgical Company, ensures smooth logistics, multiple trade terms, and professional documentation support. Whether it is a trade order or a bulk shipment, we guarantee reliable delivery. Yes. So, the global steel industry is entering a new era where purity, cost efficiency, and stability determine success. Our company's ultra pure low carbon ferrochrome produced through our improved vacuum technology is already helping manufacturers cut the costs, improve alloy quality, and stay ahead of competitors. So if you are currently sourcing ferrochrome, this may be the right time to evaluate whether our ultra pro grade can enhance your production efficiency. Yes, so uh, if you are interested in this production now, welcome to leave your comments or leave your inquiry, and then when we find your message, we will reply you as soon as possible. Welcome, and okay, that's for Chrome. Now, let's move to the next step about the ferrosilicon nitride. Yes, ferrosilicon nitride. This is a resin store alloy, especially in the refractories industry and the steel industry. So, as we all know, raising raw material costs and structural steel quality requirements, forcing producers to rethink their alloy strategies. In particular, the question of how to introduce nitrogen into steel without overspending or sacrificing consistency has become a pressing issue, while nitrogen gas carriers remain an opening. More and more manufacturers are shifting their attention to silicon nitride ferroalloys as a practical and efficient alternative. Yes. Let me show you the ferrochrome nitride, the picture of ferrochrome nitride. Okay, could you see the picture of Nitrided Ferrosilicon picture? This is these stamps have has the nitrogen content about 28%, 28.5%, and the silicon content in this production about uh, uh, more than the 40 content. So what makes ferrosilicon nitride different? The silicon nitride ferroalloy is produced through a controlled nitriding process that combines silicon with nitrogen at a high temperature. The result is a stable granular alloy that offers both a reliable nitrogen source and additional metallurgical benefits. Unlike gaseous nitrogen, ferrosilicon nitride introduces nitrogen in a way that is uniform, controllable, and cost-effective. This is particularly valuable for steel grades requiring high strength, wear resistance, or improved toughness, such as the structural steels, spring steels, and high-strength alloy steels. In the past years, the demand of ferrosilicon nitride has grown steadily in Asia. From China to South Asia, the steelmakers are under pressure to reduce production costs while meeting tighter standards for alloy content. The ferrosilicon nitride fits this demand well. First, the stability. The constant charging recovery rate, and even under varying furnace conditions. The second is the flexibility, suitable for both converters and electric arc furnaces. This regional shift suggests that ferrosilicon nitride is no longer just a specialty product, but a mainstream solution gaining global recognition. And about the practical advantages for of this ferrosilicon nitride for steel producers. Let me share with you. The first is improved. The first is improving steel properties. Yes, the nitrogen increases the strength of steel without making it brittle. When introduced through ferrosilicon nitride, it enhances both toughness and wear resistance. Then the second is reducing production costs. By partially replacing uh, the metal or other expensive alloy agents, the ferrosilicon nitride helps steelmakers balance performance with budget. Yes, and the third advantage is easy handling and storage. Yes, in summer, ferroalloys are often exposed to heat and humidity. The ferrosilicon nitride granule form makes it less prone to cooking or moisture absorption compared to fine powders, ensuring smooth fitting into furnace. Yes, and the last advantage is the environmentally friendly process. The nitriding process used to produce ferrosilicon nitride consumes less energy and generates fewer emissions than alternative nitrogen introduction methods. Yes, and one of our recent shipments to South Asia highlighted the practical benefit of ferrosilicon nitride. Yes, the steel mill had been struggling with the uneven nitrogen recovery using traditional methods. After trialing our ferrosilicon nitride, they reported more stable nitrogen levels and improved toughness in their uh, end products. What impressed them most, however, was the cost saving. It estimated 8 to 10% reduction in alloying expenses compared to their previous practice. So why work where our colleagues work with our company with ZHENXIN and trust our company, the ZHENXIN methodological company. Because at our company, we focus on consistent quality and flexible supply. The first is ISO certified production line with strict quality checks. The second is customizable partial sizes and packaging. The third is one on-time delivery supported by strategic warehouse in Asia. So for steelmakers testing ferrosilicon nitride for the first time, we also support small trial batches, allowing your team to evaluate results before committing to larger volumes. Yes. So, uh, and as the steel industry looks for ways to control costs without compromising performance, like Nitrid Ferroalloy has proven itself as a smart choice. From improving toughness to stability nitrogen levels, ferrosilicon nitride offers clear technical and economical advantages. So, if your company is seeking a more reliable nitrogen and more reliable nitrate content. Now is the time to explore ferrosilicon nitrate. Contacted our team today to request a trial batch and see how it can fit into your production process. We have seen increasing demand for ferrosilicon nitride from the Middle East and Southeast Asia. If your company uses refractories or special steels, Ferrosilicon nitride could be a cost-effective upgrade. Yes, so if you are interested in the ferrosilicon nitride, welcome to contact us or leave your comment. Welcome to it. But then about the season transportation and the storage, because here in China the weather is getting cooler as autumn begins, but in some countries it may still be hot uh, or too hot or too humid. No matter the climate, transport and storage of ferroalloys is always important. For there are some tips for refined ferrochrome and ferrosilicon nitride. The first is to keep a packaging sealed to prevent moisture or oxidation. The second is to store those in dry, ventilated warehouses. The third is use the pallets to avoid direct contact with the ground. The fourth is in autumn. Watch out for condensation from day, night temperature difference. During transporters, use a covered container or tracks to avoid rain exposures. These steps keep the alloys in perfect condition until they reach your factory. Let's check the comment. The comment is so sad. Okay, now just like before, let's let me share the video of our factory, the new video. About virtual game. Okay, just a virtual game. Just a virtual game. Mm-hmm. Okay, now. Okay, now it's the answer time. If you have any questions or if you uh, want to get some informations, please leave your inquiry or question in the comments. If I find it, I will reply them. But now there's no. Hi, hi Tina. Hi. Today there are just a little comments and no questions. So uh, let's uh, let's share some questions that our customers always want to ask, and let me share it with you. So first about our company. Our company, where is our factory located? Where is what's our factory's address? Yes, our factory is in Anyang City, Henan Province, and in China. Yes, with advanced production facilities for ferroalloys. because Iron City is a big parallel distribution center. There are uh, there are the rich parallel resources. So if you want to uh, uh, so if you are looking for some fireplace and you want to purchase fireplace, welcome to uh, visit yes to or leave your inquiry. We will just try it. We will tell you. We will uh, maybe you will find a good results from uh, maybe you will uh, find a good results, yes, about the paralysis you are looking for. And which markets have you exported to? Which 可以重复啊。Which markets have we exported to? We exported to Asia, Central Asia, uh, South Asia, Middle East, and South America, and have some Latin America, and have supplied supplied Ferrochrome, Nitrided Ferrochrome to Europe and other regions. We aim to the world market of the world. And do you support one-stop pro purchase of multiple alloys? Yes, we support. We supply ferrophosphorus, ferrochrome, nitride ferrosilicon, silicon baron, and ferrosilicon, cold wire, and other ferroalloys. Uh, more in one shipment to reduce the logistical costs. But there are limited about the kind. Uh, it's just I mean in one container in I mean always in one container the one container support about four kinds of fireworks load. Yes, and if you need more kinds of fireworks, uh, just uh, just move them to another container. So if you uh, have many kinds of fireworks to purchase, I mean more than four kinds. It's better to choose two containers quantity. Yes. And what payment terms do you offer? Our payment terms, we accept TT or letter of credit payment and can provide flexible payment solutions for Central Asia and global buyers. Yes, and what and let me and what's the MOQ? What's MOQ? Actually, our MOQ usually is one container. Yes, one container. It's about for the bulk ferroalloys such as ferrochrome, ferrosilicon, ferromanganese, such as these ferroalloys, its molecule just it is also one container, and its quantity about 25 to 27 tons. Yes, but for those metal calcium, metal calcium, uh, it's just for the metal calcium lamp, it's about 14, 14 tons one container. And for the metal calcium powder, it may be 14 or 20 tons. It's because its packaging is the in the steel drums. It maybe can't load up to 20 tons. Let me about shoot into 20 tons. It's about 20 tons. Yes, and for the uh, test reports. Tester report our every shipment has a chemical analysis. Yes, we always attach the tester report of every shipment. We only arrange the shipment after uh, after the goods have passed the test report, we will arrange the shipment. About packaging. Packaging, our standard packaging is the turn bags, the jumbo bags. Yes, one turn per bag. And we also if you need pallet and or if you need the steel drums, okay, we also support this package. But please notice please 那叫什么please add this packaging requirement in your inquiry. Yes, let me know. And also, yes, that's the mainly questions. That's the mainly questions. In the end, okay, in the end, we have reached uh, the end of today's leave season. 小花. Today we learned about refined ferrochrome, key of stainless special steels, ferrosilicon nitride, resin alloy for refractories and steels, storage, the transport tips, and some questions from our other customers. So if you'd like a quotation, product sheet, or sample, please send us a direct message or leave your email in the comments. Don't forget to uh, follow our page for future leave seasons and updates. So in the end, thank you so much for joining us today. We look forward to supporting your business with quality alloys, stable supply, and flexible service. So see you next time. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. See you next time.